In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sublimation designs in Canva. If you're planning to make custom shirts, tumblers, mugs, or other personalized products, getting your design file set up correctly from the start is extremely important. Sublimation printing depends on sharp, high-resolution artwork, so if your file is blurry, stretched, or poorly sized, those issues will show up in the final print. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier than many people expect. To begin, open Canva and go to the top right corner of the homepage. Click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. Before entering your dimensions, change the unit from pixels to inches. This is a very important step because sublimation projects are based on physical print size, not just screen dimensions. Enter the exact width and height you need for your design, such as I11 by 8.5 inches, and then click Create New Design to open your blank canvas. Once your workspace opens, the next thing you want to do is turn on the tools that help you align everything properly. Click File, go to View Settings, and enable Show Rulers and Guides. Then turn on Show Margins as well. This gives you a clear visual boundary for your safe design area, which helps prevent important text or graphics from getting too close to the edge. For sublimation, clean placement matters, so these guides are worth using every time. Now it's time to add your visual elements. On the left-hand side, click Elements and use the search bar to look for the kind of graphics you want. You can search for styles that fit your project, like vibrant watercolor florals, retro textures, or clean logo-style artwork. After that, filter the results using graphics or photos, depending on what you need, and drag your chosen element onto the canvas. Try to choose artwork that looks crisp and bold since sublimation tends to show off bright color and detail very well. Next, add your text. Click Text on the left sidebar, then choose Add a Text Box. Enter your main message or headline and keep it short enough to stay visually strong and easy to read. From the top toolbar, switch to a bold, high contrast font such as League Spartan or Montserrat Bold. Thick lettering usually works better for sublimation because it holds color more confidently and stands out more clearly against your background. When everything is in place, take a final moment to review the full design. Make sure the layout feels balanced, your text is readable, and no important elements extend past the margin guides. Then click Share, choose Download, and select PDF Print for a high-quality export with preserved dimensions. If your printer specifically asks for an image file instead, choose PNG at the highest quality available. Finally, click Download to save your design. Before printing, remember to enable mirror image in your sublimation printer settings so the design transfers correctly. That's it, and I'll see you in the next video.